Hello, my dear wonderful friends. It's me, Sparrow, back again. So today I have brought an interesting video for you. By the way, it's first time in YouTube history I'm going to teach you how to use IDM, the Internet Download Manager, for free for entire lifetime without using cracks. I've been using IDM for a long time, of course with cracks, but with this corona pandemic issue, nowadays these cracks are not safe anymore because most of cracks have been infected by ransomware and viruses. And also, when you're using cracked IDM, your data is monitored by unauthorized servers and unauthorized persons. So these servers might have a chance to steal your personal data. So my free advice is try to get rid of these cracked files. Okay, back on track. We're gonna use original IDM, which you can download it from official Internet Download Manager site, and it's come with 30-day free trial. You maybe already have installed it in your PC or laptop and use it for 30 days. Now every time when you try to open that IDM software, you might get a pop-up window asking to purchase it or either uninstall it from your PC. Luckily, I also have a solution for that. The solution is my free software which I am giving you through this video lesson. You can't download it from internet. I'll give you it free. The link is in the description box. We are going to use this software to reset IDM to its original version. Okay, without any further details, follow my full video before using the software, unless you might get some problems when you are using this software. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notification when I upload next video.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. night. Wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.